The antenna is here. Then this is the cable for the antenna. That's the coaxial cable. Then we have a connector. This is the connector here. The connector is here. Then we have a pole. That's a pole here. Then we are probably mount the pole where we put the pole inside. Yeah, so we insert the pole inside. So let's do that right now. Okay, the pole has been mounted. So now we have to fix this antenna. You have to fix this antenna on it. Let me show you how you do that. Okay, look at how we are going to fix it in. You will insert this inside for it to be on top. Look at it carefully. Something like this. Yes. Then you screw. You tighten this thing up. So let's tighten now. Let me show you how we tighten it in. So what you do is you fix the cable in. This is where you fix the cable in. So you screw tighten it. Tighten it very firmly. And your pole is connected. You choose the direction I want. Your digital antenna has been set up. Thank you. Subscribe, share my videos, comment if there's any mistake under the comment box. Bye.